I'm not going to show you reinstalling the original because we're changing steering wheels, right? But this is how you would do it if you were going to change it out. If you're putting on the E46 style, you've got your two plugs that simply just go back into place on your airbag very easily. So you'll put that in, you'll put the black one in, and once that's done, you're just going to take it and just rock it back into place, and the little arms on the airbag will clip on to these little spring clips in the back, and you're good to go. And then at that point, just go back to the trunk, plug in your ground post on your battery, and you're done. All right, so all done. Go ahead and clean up and put what few tools you had out away. As you can tell, this really isn't that hard of a project. It's just one of those you just have to be careful with. So whether you're changing back to the same steering wheel, a completely different, aftermarket steering wheel, or in this case, a different OEM steering wheel, as long as you're careful and you just take those simple steps, you can do this safely and really reliably, and it's going to look great. Especially if your car's getting older, your steering wheel really can get beat up. And that change, I don't know about you, but changing your steering wheel can really make a huge difference. I know it does for me, especially my F32 where I changed it. I loved the new one. So super simple, easy to do. Everything you need will be listed in the description below. Please click subscribe and the little alarm bell. It makes a huge difference to my channel. I always have a ton of projects coming, and I'll see you on my next video.